welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? Cameron Mai here, and as you can tell by the title, we are going to be updating my vanity today. If you guys would like to see how I get my vanity from this to this, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang. Okay, you guys, so starting off, I'm going to take this paper that I got from Amazon. This is a stick and peel, so it's not an actual wallpaper. And if you look up close, it's kind of texturized, and I really love that. So I've had this black wall up for about 6 months. I never got around to finishing my whole room because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I kept changing the concept of the room, but I do want to go ahead and finish this area because it is my vanity area. So I'm just starting off by just applying the wallpaper by measuring it first. This is kind of hard if you do it by yourself. If you look, I've done majority of my wall by myself, and my boyfriend helped me a little bit along the way. For me, what makes this easy is if you don't want to go out and buy the wallpaper smoother, you can just use your credit card, debit card, or anything like that to kind of smooth out the wallpaper. And you definitely want to take your time with this. This wallpaper was about $30 at Amazon. So yes, I did have my boyfriend come and help me a little bit. He added some air bubbles that kind of annoyed me, but not really because the wall is kind of textured. So I'm just wiping off the vanity and cleaning up the area a little bit before we go ahead and complete the look. I went ahead and added the black wallpaper. I am literally missing a corner all the way at the top, but no biggie. I'm gonna go ahead and refill that once I get the rest of the wallpaper for the rest of the wall over here. But right now we're just going to be focusing on my vanity area. I didn't add any wallpaper under my vanity. Under here I just have packages that I do have to open. I have my 2 BoxyCharm boxes from March and April, and then I also have Sephora LYS. From Sephora I ordered the Born This Way Strip Sunset or Sunset Strip palette. I got the LYS new concealers, the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I also picked up a few more other things that launched this year, and I am going to be doing a review on all of those. My reviews are going to be up super late, but it's going to be up. So yeah, you guys, that is just what I've been working on. I am expecting my packages to come tomorrow so I can finish up this little section right here, and I'll check back in later. Got something in the mail today. I ordered this from Amazon yesterday. So let's see. The mirror came in today. I ordered a mirror from Amazon, and I also ordered lights to go around it. This is supposed to be a 30-inch mirror. I ordered lights right here to go around the mirror, and if you guys would like to see how I created that, then I'll leave a link to that video down below, and I'll also tag it somewhere here in this video. It might be a little dark because I am using natural lighting. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I go ahead and customize it. Here are the lights right here, you guys. And so if you guys want details on everything, again, like I said, go and check out that video where I'll go more into depth on all of the products and everything and how I'm going to make the mirror. Okay, you guys, so here is what the final outcome is. I think it looks really beautiful with this mirror. It's very simple, very easy, very inexpensive. I can just turn it on and off right here, just a press of a button, and I do think it is really bright. I really do think this was something that was needed for my makeup videos. So the only thing that I am waiting on now is the shelving to add some photos, and we are going to be updating this entire section. So this is just what the makeup vanity looks like, you guys. Hey you guys, what's up? I just wanted to show you guys really quick. After making that video, I went back and went ahead and taped the string, and I also went ahead and fixed it to where it didn't come up that much. The only ones that really show are these two right here, but those are at the bottom. But other than that, if you look, I lined the cords up with the light bulb, so basically this is how they look on the side. I also wanted to show you guys that I changed the holes. At first it was in that hole, then it was in that hole, but I went ahead and went with that hole. It just looked better, you guys. So yeah, and excuse the air bubbles. Ugh. Hey you guys, it's late at night right now, but my shelves did come in the mail, so I just wanted to show you guys. And they are also matching the gold that we have for the mirror. Zaza is here because she has to examine everything. And if you guys didn't know, you can use your iPhone as a level. Hey guys, what's up? New day here, and I just wanted to come and show you guys where we are right now. So last night you guys probably saw some of the clippets. I went ahead, me and my boyfriend hung up these shelves here, and I was actually just testing out some of the shelving to see where I wanted to place things. I'm probably actually going to go ahead and move these over here. We are going to be doing that, but really quick, hold on. I got more packages in the mail today, so I am waiting for my vanity to be completely done before I start my reviews again. However, this my address. Oh, my sister's calling me because she's supposed to be coming here so I can do her makeup. Ordered these from Amazon, and these are just some containers because I really need to organize my makeup. So that is actually going to be in a separate video, organizing my actual makeup drawer. So you guys definitely comment below if you want to see that. This one is this one right here. So I have these clear acrylic containers because I do want to organize my makeup vanity, but again, that'll be in a separate video. So cute, so cute. My chair came, which is actually a shock. I'm supposed to be getting dressed to go to an event. I wasn't expecting this chair until May the 4th or the 10th. And so it's here. Let me go ahead and take it out. I don't have any clothes on right now, so I'm finna take it out really quick, set it up, and then show you. It feels so soft. I don't know. I was so scared because of the reviews on Amazon, but it's actually not bad. Look at the stitching. Oh, here's something that I don't care for, but that's not crazy. Wow. Okay, so babe is putting the chair together right now, and it seems pretty easy for the most part. Just a few screws, and here's the color. I got like a mustard yellow color. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but it has like a tint of green in it, but it's majority like a yellow goldish type of color. And these little embellishments in the back are gold. The wheels are black and the metal is gold. This looks really nice. Okay, you guys, so my vanity looks a mess right now, but this is just the space. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, the only thing that I want to do next is just add some little paintings or something. Just add something else. I've seen these cute little flowers that I might want it to add, but that'll be the only thing that I add on the vanity. And then I'm just going to like clean up my vanity area and find new things to do with it. You guys may notice that I changed my vanity around a bit just to kind of see what I wanted to do with things. I completely emptied out that makeup bin because I'm going to be using that for Shop My Stash again. And this makeup drawer I'm probably going to be using for my bathroom organization. I'm probably going to be replacing this with a black and gold tray. And then this is going to stay. So yeah, you guys, that's just my bag that won't be there. I'm almost positive I'm going to be keeping candles on this rack right here because I don't want to light a candle on this one and it burns up here and, you know, light this on fire or something. So I just think it's better to kind of just leave a candle right here. And this is Bubbly Rose from Bath and Body Works. My sister gave me that one. So yes, you guys, this is just what the vanity looks like now. Hi you guys, what's up? So this is the final look of the vanity so far. I just wanted to show you guys where we are right now, and I'm actually going to go ahead and close out this video. But before we do, this is the chair right here that came in from Amazon. The chair was $165. However, I did catch a sale on it, and it just has the gold at the bottom, and it do go up and down. Zaza is trying to get my finger, but you can just see the thing there. Okay, so this is the chair, and I'll just get up close a little so you can just see the fabric. Ow, Zaza, cut it out. And she's already putting her claws into the chair. I don't want her doing that. Okay, so here, these are the shelves here. I believe the shelves were $19. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. Things that are on the shelves are not going to be up there permanently, but they are up there right now, just until I finish everything up here in this area. And then you have the mirror here, and if you guys want to see details about the mirror, you should definitely check out my video when I DIY'd this mirror. So yes, you guys, this is just what the vanity looks like now. And I just have my LYS box there because I'm going to go ahead and film that video today.